So this week I found myself out of my two favorite essentials. That is my shea butter hand cream and my urea foot cream. So I was like, instead of restocking, let me create my own lotion. Hey guys, so welcome to my video. My name is Precious. I am a pharmacist and a cosmetics formulation scientist, and today I am creating a lotion inspired by this two. So it will be a Precious Skin because I have a brand coming soon. You can follow me on Instagram and TikTok in the meantime, okay? So I'm creating a Precious Skin lotion, shea butter and urea lotion because ever since I started using urea on my feet, my nail technician keeps asking me, "What a Precious, why are your feet so smooth and soft?" Okay, so we're gonna continue with the urea. Anyways, before I get into creating this lotion, please do not forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. And remember, I am on Instagram, I am on TikTok, and of course, YouTube as Precious the Chemist.
Okay, so I have two beakers. One will be the oil phase, the other one will be the water phase. I'm starting with the oil phase beaker. I'm weighing all of my oils, my butter, and the oil soluble emulsifiers, and putting them all in that oil beaker because all of my oil phase is not heat sensitive, so they will be fine being heated up to 120 degrees Celsius. Now I am moving on to my water phase. I weighed the water. I'm gonna weigh in my humectants, glycerin, propylene glycol, and urea is also water soluble, so it will be going into that. Then my other thickener will also go into this water beaker, and one of my preservatives will also go into this beaker. Alright, so I am then melting my oils and butters using the double boiler method. I will also put the water phase there because some of my humectants fully dissolve in higher temperatures, and of course the two phases need to be in at around the same temperature for them to emulsify and form a lotion. That's me checking the temperature of the water phase because I do not want to destroy some of the ingredients. They cannot be heated above 70 degrees Celsius. Okay, I'm gonna continue stirring my water phase because I do not have a magnetic stirrer, and because this is an oil in water lotion, I am then going to pour the oil phase into the liquid phase. Once everything is ready, then we will get to the blending. Because I do not have a homogenizer, I will be using this blender that is exclusively for cosmetics and not for food, okay, to homogenize my emulsion until a lotion forms. And I will also check the temperature as it cools, because while doing this it cools. I'll check the temperature, and when the temperature is right, I will then add the last preservative. Okay, that is my preservative, and after adding it I will continue blending. Alright, once I'm done with the preservative, I then added 2 drops of my coffee essential oil because I'm obsessed with coffee. Okay, I love the smell of coffee, and I only use 2 drops because I'm not big on perfumes. Now I will check the pH of my lotion because it needs to be at the right pH so that it does not disturb the health of my skin. The right pH should be between 4.7 to 7, but my ingredients requires to be at 5 to 7, so I have to make it around that time. I'm gonna add my citric acid and then just mix it all in. Alright, the pH was then correct, which means that my lotion is done. I let it cool completely, and then from there I will transfer it to my containers. And yes, this jar is not the correct container for a lotion, but I just have to work with what I have, guys. I have to work with what I have. One jar will be for my hands, and the bigger one will be used for my feet. I'm clean, but I just don't like mixing. I don't know. I'm weird like that. Okay. So yeah. Anyways, guys, that is my lotion. I hope to see you guys when I create more ingredients. Bye.